Hey ladies, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make this pinch bow, bat bow. You have 4 bats, 3 bow parts, and then 3 centers. I'm going to be using these fox feathers and glitter. You can purchase these from CC's Ribbon and Things. Today I'm going to be using the black for my bat part and then the chevron for my bow part. So for this one, I'm just going to use the 3rd one down, and then I'm going to use the 3rd one to the center, the 3rd one down of the bow part, and possibly the 2nd one. I don't know if I want to yet, so I'm just going to leave it out so that way if I decide to use it, that I have it right there. So you're just going to get your template, you're going to turn your, this one is canvas glitter, you're going to turn it over and you're going to trace it out. I'm just using my pen because I want to get precise line, but for the most part I usually use the Mark B. Gone pen. To use this part, I'm going to trace it on. Jocelyn, excuse my little one if y'all do hear her, and if she does get loud, she's over here playing ponies. So, and I'm also going to want to do my center in black glitter, so I'm just tracing that. So since I'm gonna layer it, this one I already have done. I did the same thing. I traced it and cut it out, and this is what I got. So now I'm gonna show you how I cut these. So you're just gonna cut right where you traced at. So there's that part, that's the center of my bow. Maybe don't play on my machine because you can accidentally get stuff stuck in there. So just cut out your bow part. And this one is fine glitter. It's on canvas, so it's not really rough. It's smooth, fine glitter. I'll give you a better look here in a second. So there's my center part. This one is going to be my first bow, and then the second one is going to be that one that I already cut out, and now I'm going to cut out my bat part. So I'm just cutting it out. Look, it's shiny, smooth on canvas. So since this is going to be a pinch bow, I highly recommend you sewing it. But it's totally up to you. It's just my preference. I prefer to sew all of my bows. So what I'm gonna do now is grab it, fold it in half, grab my needle and thread. I use upholstery thread, and I'm going to sew down that line. Bring my thread through. Wrap it around. Gonna tie it off. And I'm gonna leave the remaining thread on. So this is what you get. You get a little bat. So for this bow part, you fold it in half. And today, this is new. It is the Gorilla Gun and Gorilla Glue sticks. It has a low and high tip. It does show the red light when it's on. It does have its own stand, but of course I like to use my stand that I purchased from A&L Display because it does catch the glue. So for this bow, all you gotta do is put some glue in the center. Okay, maybe not. Okay. So I'm just gonna hold it there. And then I'm going to add some glue to the back of it. And then glue it on top of my second bow. So next I'm going to add glue to the back of those two bows and add it onto my back. Right in the center. Just like that. So I'm going to use let it cool down. I'm going to use an alligator clip, and I want to line my clip. So just from the scrap bottom of here, I'm just going to cut a thin strip out. And I just put it against my clip just to see if it was too big. So I'm going to add glue right here. Hold it down. And I'm going to fold it over, and right here where that first little screw, or I'm not even sure if it's a screw or what it is, but I'm going to cut right there, and I'm going to add glue to that portion. And hold it down. So now I'm going to turn my bat bow over, and I'm going to bring my ribbon, my thread up. I'm going to line my clip with glue. I'm gonna let it cool down for a little while, just because I don't want it to be moving. Okay, so this came up, so I'm gonna go ahead and add more glue. And I always heard a lot of good things about the Gorilla Glue, especially for these leather bows, so this is what made me want to try it. But I mean, so far I was hoping that this wouldn't happen, that my bow parts wouldn't come up, and that's the main reason why I like to sew my bows. So I'm just going to let everything cool down. And I'm going to press the bow part down. So now with your thread, what you're going to do is you're going to open it up and just wrap it around your bow and your clip. You're going to secure it because obviously we can't trust that glue. So now that it's wrapped around, you're going to give it a pull, and then you're going to knot it. So give me 1 second. It's kind of twisted right there. Okay. This is what you have now. So now you have your center part. So I'm going to go ahead and add some glue to the top of it. I'm going to turn my bow around, and I'm going to add it to the top of my clip. Not on the clip, but above it. My clip up, and it got on my clip. So that's the bad thing. If you get it too much, too close to your clip, then it attaches to your clip. So let's try that again. And I'm just gonna wrap it around my bow. Just like that. And if you want to add like a small amount of glue right there, you can. Necessarily not wanting to come out as soon as I push down, and I don't know why. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but I don't see what the issue could be. So now you put some glue right here, you open your clip, and you're gonna put it down right there in the center. It does get very hot. So now that your bow is all together, you can manipulate the wings, because you sew, if you sewed it like I did, it's not gonna come apart or anything. Fluffing up those small bows that we just made. And there you go. And this bow measures about 4¼ inch wide and about about 2 inches in height. They're real easy and cute to make, perfect for Halloween. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I will put the Etsy link to the templates in the description, as well as where you can purchase the fox leather the fox leather sheets. And like I said, the Gorilla Glue sticks and the glue gun I purchased from Walmart. It says build, repair, craft, 5 times more durable, but I mean, I don't know if that's even true, because y'all seen my bow come up. It says high temp for strong bonding wood, plastic, metal, glass, and more. It says low temp for delicate materials, floral, fabric, foam, jewelry, and more. So I'm going to use it a couple more times and see how I really like it. And I'll post a review about it later and let you ladies know. Thank you for watching.